Oh, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back like Mokokoto, back like Kuchachi Piñata, back like Ask Karen in this YouTube thing. You know, you can ask Karen everything. You can ask Karen Kuchachi, you can ask Karen this YouTube channel, you can ask Karen everything. Everything, you can ask Karen everything. So I'm giving the flowers to Open Shares Buffet before get home. I'm giving the flowers to Open Shares for teaching me this lingo, the open shares lingo to ask Karen, the Kuchachi Piñata. Or I can even I'm trying to gather my fan base and those type of things. Yeah guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I hope you continue watch, because I will continue post, I will continue pushing this content thing. You know what it is, Buffet. This is me, Mr. Sam292 Buffet, signing out. Peace.